Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to start group chat on Discord. Here are 5 easy steps to start a group chat on Discord using your Android device. First step, open Discord. Launch the Discord app on your Android device and log in if needed. Step 2, go to Friends List. Tap the message icon in the top left corner to view your friends. Step 3. Start a new group DM. Tap the direct messages, a message icon with a plus at the bottom right of the screen. Tap and choose new group. Step 4. Add friends. Choose up to 3 or more friends from your friends list to include in the group chat. Tap next or create to finalize your selection. And step 5. Start chatting. Your group chat is now created. Send messages, share media, or even start a voice video call with your group. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.